Alright, I'm Kyle, and this is the review on the Black Ops Full Metal CO2 pistol. I got this at Walmart. Hold on. Alright, I got this at Walmart, and the CO2, you have like a button right here. What you do is it's kind of hard to pull down sometimes if you don't have nails, and that's what it looks like. It's a double stack magazine, high kappa, 12 gram CO2. Here's the the key for the thing to twist it on, and yeah, and then so let's go to the pistol. That was the magazine. Oh, and sometimes this right here needs to be lubed, and the O-ring, sorry, the nozzle. Okay, the gun. It's got a beaver tail right here, beaver tail safety, ambidextrous safety, both sides, right here and right here. And it's got a skeleton hammer in the back, pull it back, and then skeleton hammer trigger, working slide mechanism. Barrel is like a, I don't know, it's kind of like some type of kind of chromish metal. Anyways, chamber on that side, so you can see, kind of. Mine has a crack. I don't think the camera would see it, but it has a crack like right there. Or maybe if I can get right there, you see that. Oh, that's my Scar-L and my M1014 pump action shotgun. So yeah, this was that. My Black Ops CO2 Full Metal M1911. Oh, and then that can crack inside here. And then what else? If you ever have a suppressor like that one right there, don't put a SOCOM Full Metal suppressor on this. It snapped off my orange tip, and I'm gonna return it. So yeah, and then this right here started to bend right here. I don't know how or why. Actually, here, just pop this out real quick. Oh, this is the key. It's the key. Mine, if you look very closely, you can tell that it's bent. Every time I shoot it, it just bends. So this comes off like that. And then what you do is take your plunger out. Plunger out. And then this comes out, the spring holder. And then next you get your, this comes out a certain way. Yeah, mine started to bend right there, if you can see. Yeah. It sucks, but it still works, surprisingly. So, yeah. Then there's a certain way you have to go put it in. Go in, like, you gotta find that little hole and then slide it over. Then you insert your plunger. And you take your slide, put it on very carefully. Oh, every time you want to lube it, you lube in this spot right here, and here, even on the sides, back here and back here. That's where you lube it. And in here as well. So yeah, that was my tutorial on the M1911 CO2 Black Ops Full Metal Pistol. And here's the magazine. Thank you.